What is going on, guys? So happy 4th. Let me talk about the modification that we just did yesterday to our Sienna. I think we've gone too far in terms of putting on the aesthetics, but I'll walk you around the exterior of this 2023 XSE, and you guys let me know what you notice. So alright, so let's take you guys out and about to the Sienna right here, side profile. In the past, I've talked about doing those, I guess the side skirts, right above the side skirts. We have that gloss black trim. We have gloss black everything, including like the pillars. And right here, right next to these door handles, we have some black vinyl and gloss black as well. So you guys know the theme, the Stormtrooper look, white on black, basically a 2025 edition conversion. The front grille, this used to be satin chrome, so this is all black now, all blacked out. And we have your mirror caps right there, that's blacked out, some hybrid badging that's blacked out. Only thing not blacked out are the window trims around. I kept that chrome, and the wheels chrome. Chrome wheels, not the greatest look, but at the same time it really does keep clean longer. Now moving to the back of the vehicle, we have some aesthetics right there, all stick-on 3M. We have like a guardrail or bumper guard right there, that's all blacked out. You have your mid deck spoiler and your gloss black Sienna logo, your gloss black hybrid badging, Toyota badging. These are all kind of like OEM. So now with the 2025 XSEs, all these in XSE trim are blacked out, like the all-wheel drive. I don't think they have all-wheel drive anymore. They have like a BEV, right? Or something like that. Battery electric vehicle or something like that. Right here, all these on the 2025s, if you missed the 2025 25th anniversary, which this one is, you basically get the same thing in the new 2025 XSEs, minus the ottomans inside. But anyway, getting back to the vehicle, do you guys notice anything different as of right now? All right, let's complete the walk around with this rear panel right there. And overall, the lines are really nice on these 4th generation Siennas. But I think you guys already know, right? We completed the look by installing one of these aftermarket spoilers. I know we've gone too far. I've gone too far. I can't blame my family. But yeah, I think this is one of the final modifications we're gonna do. I've had it for quite some time already. Yeah, since 2024's, before the tariffs hit. Got this for about $100 and change. It was a little bit extra to purchase it in white, but that's why I wanted to go for it. Instead of the gloss black look, I finally went for the white one. Had them paint it. I threw on some synthetic ceramic coating to prevent additional fade. I hope it doesn't fade as quickly as those carbon fiber ones. The clear coat just rubs out really quickly within years, so hopefully this one works. Similar to the design to like the Golf R Oettinger design, where they carry over. I think like Hyundai even took a design element from them, where you have like 2 slots here for center pass-through, a raised, elevated spoiler look with surface area here for your 3M tape, the most surface area here to secure it. Then we have some 3M tape right here, and we have some 3M tape right under here. And overall, I think fitment wise, pretty good, right? Pretty good. You have like a separated portion here, it angles towards here, and then finally it ends over here. And for the most part, that's how all my spoilers stuck in the car with 3M tape, and hopefully given my track record, it doesn't fly off. So install was pretty simple. It came with 3M tape, but I actually ordered some stronger automotive 3M tape for the middle, like thicker one. I used your 3M tape because it was thinner on the edges, and it worked out perfect. Install didn't take that long. I think I'll try to do it before and after, maybe put on some pictures. But I think it worked out pretty good. Yeah, I think so. What do you guys think? Is it too much? For the most, you know, it's too much, but yeah. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. But on that note, what do you guys think? Right? But yeah, happy 4th, guys. Take care.